LilyTiki Kids. A, B, C, D, E. Let's all sing and learn with glee. Letters are fun, come sing along. Learning letters with this song. A is for ant, say A. Tiny and strong, working all day. B is for butterfly, say B. Flying so light and fancy free. C is for cat, say C. Soft and purring happily. D is for dog, say D. Running and barking full of glee. E is for elephant, say E. Big and friendly, come and see. F, G, H, I, J. Let's all sing and learn today. Letters are fun, come sing along. Learning letters with this song. F is for fish, say F. Swimming fast with the swish, swish, swish. G is for guitar, say G. Strumming a tune so happily. H is for home, say H. A cozy place for you and me. I is for iron, say I. Smooth and strong, give it a try. J is for jacket, say J. Keeps you warm on chilly days. K, L, M, N, O. Let's all sing and learn today. Letters are fun, come sing along. Learning letters with this song. K is for koala, say K. Sleeping in trees all night and day. L is for lemon, say L. Sour and yellow, fresh as well. M is for monkey, say M. Jumping and swinging with a grin. N is for necklace, say N. Shiny and pretty just like a gem. O is for octopus, say O. Wiggling arms, 1, 2, 3, go! Q, R, S, T. Sing and learn, just follow me. Step by step we sing and play. Now it's your turn, hip hooray! P is for pencil, say P. Writing letters, 1, 2, 3. Q is for question, say Q. Ask and learn, it's fun to do. R is for rose, say R. Smelling sweet from near and far. S is for sock, say S. Warm and cozy, nothing less. T is for turtle, say T. Slow and steady, wait and see. Q, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's keep learning, go ahead. Letters are fun, come sing along. Learning letters with this song. U is for urchin, say U. Spiky and hiding in the blue. V is for van, say V. Driving fast and full of glee. W is for window, say W. Look outside, what can you do? X is for Xmas, say X. Lights and joy, it's time to flex. Y is for yogurt, say Y. Tasty and creamy, give it a try. Z is for zipper, say Z. Zip it up as quick as can be. A to Z we've learned today. Singing, dancing all the way. Letters are fun, come sing along. Learning letters with this song.
Story: Lily's Animal Adventure. Once upon a time, there was a little girl named Lily. She loved exploring the world around her. One sunny day, while she was playing in the park, she found a magical book. The book was filled with letters and pictures of animals. It said, "Come and meet the animals from A to Z." Lily was very excited, so she decided to go on an adventure to meet the animals. A is for apple. Lily walked through the garden and saw a big apple tree. She picked a shiny red apple. "Yummy!" Lily said. "A is for apple." Suddenly, a big brown bear appeared. "Hello, Lily. I love apples too," said the bear. Lily laughed and said, "B is for bear." The bear waved goodbye, and Lily continued on her way. C is for cloud. Lily looked up and saw a fluffy cloud floating in the sky. "C is for cloud," she said. Suddenly, a little duck waddled by. "Quack, I love the clouds," said the duck. Lily smiled and said, "D is for duck." The duck splashed in a little pond, and Lily moved on. E is for elephant. Lily walked deeper into the forest and saw a big gray elephant. "E is for elephant," she shouted. The elephant smiled and said, "I'm so big and strong." Lily giggled. "You sure are," she said. The elephant waved goodbye, and Lily continued walking. Next, Lily came to a small pond. she saw a little green frog jumping around. F is for frog, Lily said. The frog jumped high into the air. I love to jump, the frog said. Lily laughed and jumped with the frog for fun. Lily walked through a soft green meadow. G is for grass, she said, feeling the grass under her feet. She heard a buzzing sound and saw a bee. Hello, Lily! I love flowers and grass, said the bee. Lily smiled and waved goodbye. In the meadow, Lily noticed a honey jar under a tree. H is for honey, she said. A little bee buzzed by. I make honey, the bee said. It's so sweet. Lily smiled and said, I love honey. Lily was walking on a path when she saw a small bug crawling on a leaf. I is for insect, Lily said. The little bug waved its tiny legs. I'm an insect. I love to explore, said the insect. Lily giggled and waved back. I love to jump too, said the rabbit. Jump, jump, jump. Lily looked up and saw a colorful kite flying high in the sky. K is for kite, she said, pointing to the sky. A boy came running with a kite. Look, Lily, my kite is flying, he said. Lily smiled and waved goodbye to the boy. Lily walked under a tree, and a leaf fell gently to the ground. L is for leaf, Lily said, catching the leaf in her hands. A squirrel ran by and said, I collect leaves for my nest. Lily smiled and waved goodbye to the squirrel. Lily climbed up a hill and saw a tall mountain in the distance. M is for mountain, she said. A big friendly mountain goat appeared. I love climbing mountains, said the goat. Lily smiled and waved at the goat, feeling proud of her climb. As Lily walked through the forest, she saw a bird's nest in a tree. N is for nest, she said. A little bird flew by. I live in that nest with my babies, said the bird. Lily smiled and waved goodbye to the bird. Lily reached the beach and saw the big blue ocean. O is for ocean, she said. A dolphin jumped out of the water. I love swimming in the ocean, the dolphin said. Lily smiled and waved at the dolphin. Lily walked through the forest and saw a pine cone on the ground. P is for pine cone, she said, picking it up. A little squirrel ran by. I collect pine cones for my home, the squirrel said. Lily giggled and waved goodbye. Lily saw a small bird with a funny feather on its head. Q is for quail, she said. The quail chirped, I love running in the grass. Lily smiled and waved goodbye to the quail. Lily looked up and saw a beautiful rainbow in the sky. R is for rainbow, she said. A butterfly flew by. Rainbows are so colorful, the butterfly said. Lily smiled and followed the rainbow with the butterfly. As the sun began to set, Lily saw a little star twinkling in the sky. S is for star, she said. A firefly flew past. I can make light too, the firefly said. Lily smiled at the shining star and the glowing firefly. Lily sat under a big tree to rest. T is for tree, she said. A bird flew down and said, I live in that tree. Lily smiled and looked up at the tall tree. It started to rain, and Lily opened her umbrella. U is for umbrella, she said. A frog hopped by and said, I love jumping in puddles. Lily laughed and joined the frog in the rain. Lily walked into a beautiful valley. V is for valley, she said, looking around. A deer appeared and said, I love running through the valley. Lily smiled and waved at the deer. Lily walked along a path and heard the sound of rushing water. W is for waterfall, she said. A fish popped out of the water and said, I love swimming under the waterfall. Lily smiled and waved goodbye to the fish. Lily saw a wooden box in the forest. X is for box, she said. A rabbit jumped out of the box and said, I love playing in boxes. Lily laughed and closed the box. Lily picked a yellow flower from the ground. Y is for yellow, she said, holding it up. A yellow butterfly fluttered by. I love yellow too, the butterfly said. Lily smiled and watched the butterfly fly away.
Lily reached the last part of her adventure and saw a zebra with black and white stripes. "Z is for zebra," she said. The zebra smiled and said, "I love running in the grass." Lily waved goodbye and felt happy to meet all the animals. After her long adventure, Lily returned home and remembered all the animals she met. She had learned so much and was so happy to have such a magical day. The end.
LilyTiki Kids. A, B, C, D, E. Let's all sing and you will see. Learning letters one by one. Come and join, it's so much fun. A is for airplane, say A. Flying so high in the sky today. B is for bear, say B. Roaring so loud, come and see. C is for cake, say C. Yummy and sweet as can be. D is for door, say D. Open it wide, come follow me. E is for elk, say E. What a fun word, as you can see. LilyTiki Kids. Catchy, H-I-J. Let's all sing and learn today. Letters are fun, come sing along. Learning letters with this song. F is for frog, say F, say F. Hopping around with every step. G is for giraffe, say G. So tall and spotted, come and see. H is for horse, say H, galloping fast at a steady pace. F, G, H, I, J. Let's all sing and learn today. Letters are fun, come sing along. Learning letters with this song. I is for ice, say I. Cold and shiny, give it a try. J is for juice, say J. Sweet and fresh to start your day. I is for ice, say I. Cold and shiny, give it a try. J is for juice, say J. Sweet and fresh to start your day. F, G, H, I, J. Learning letters in a fun way. Step by step we sing and learn. Now it's your turn, let's take the turn. LilyTiki Kids.
Well, let's all sing and learn today. Letters are fun, come sing along. Learning letters with this song. K is for key, say K. Unlocking doors, leading the way. L is for lion, say, with a mighty roar, hear it swell. M is for moon, say M, shining so bright from dusk to dawn. K, L, M, N, O. Let's all sing and learn today. Letters are fun, come sing along. Learning letters with this song. N is for nose, say N. Smell the flowers, breathe them in. O is for orange, say O. Juicy and sweet, give it a go. N, L, M, N, N, O. Let's all sing and learn today. Letters are fun, come sing along. Learning letters with this song.
LilyTiki Kids. B, Q, R, S, T. Let's all sing and learn with glee. Letters are fun, come sing along. Learning letters with this song. P is for penguin, say P. Waddling around so happily. Q is for queen, say Q. Wearing a crown and waving to you. R is for robot, say R. Beeping and buzzing from near and far. S is for snake, say S. Slithering softly, what a hiss. T is for train, say T. Chugging along so fast and free. T is for train, say T. Chugging along so fast and free. so much fun. U is for unicorn, say U. A magical friend, so special for you. V is for violin, say V. Playing softly, such a melody. W is for watch, say W. Tick-tock, it's time to learn with you. X is for xylophone, say X. Tap the keys, what sound comes next? Y is for yacht, say Y. Sailing on waves, watch it glide.